Netflix best plan for TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to discuss what is the best plan for Netflix for TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have a TV and then you want to find out what is the best plan for it, now first of all find out the hardware specifications of your TV, which means that see how much resolution your TV supports, because if your TV only supports, let's say 720p, there is no point in taking the 1080p plan because that would just be a waste. Similarly, if your TV could actually support 1080p but not support 4K, then in that case there's no really point of taking the 4K plan. So the first thing I want you to understand is just find out the hardware specifications of your TV as to how much resolution it actually supports. Now if you have a 4K TV, I would just recommend you take the 4K plan. That would cost you $10 per month. If that's not what quite you're looking for, if that's not the price range you're willing to pay, you can do a little bit of downgrade up to 1080p. Unfortunately, there is no 2K plan in between, so from 1080p that you go directly, from 1K directly you go to 4K, so there's no 2K in between, right? So you can use the 1080 pixel, that will also give you a decent quality. But if you have a large TV, I wouldn't recommend the basic or the mobile plan because they're just 480p to 720 pixels. But if you have a good enough standard TV, you can go for the 1080 pixels or the premium ultra HD plan if you have a 4K plan and that you're willing to put in at least $10 per month. Not only on TV, of course, you can use that at the phone at the same time, on your iPhones, your Androids, your tablets, your iPads, your computer, wherever else you prefer. Hope this video helped you understand a question as to how you can find out what the best plan for your TV is. Hope this video helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.